Hello and welcome to Crypto News. Today is December 10th, 2025, and the top cryptocurrency news is as follows. Let's start our episode today with the Malaysian Crown Prince launching his own stablecoin. Specifically, the eldest son of Malaysia's wealthy king is launching a stablecoin pegged to the national currency aimed at payments across the Asia-Pacific region. The stablecoin is called RMJDT and will be issued on the Zetrix blockchain, which is a layer 1 designed to connect governments, businesses, and people to the Web3 ecosystem with a focus on cross-border transactions, mainly with China. This particular layer 1 is what you see on your screens, which has a 24-hour trading volume of $662,000, so we can't say it's being used. Moving on, let's go to PNC Bank, which allows Bitcoin trading thanks to Coinbase. It is the 8th largest transaction bank in America based on its assets, with more than 15 million customers. Let's say that this service will be given to some customers to exchange Bitcoin on the bank's platform. But like any bank, this will be opened up to all its users in the future. Moving on, let's go to BMW, which is partnering with JPMorgan and is conducting transactions on its own blockchain. Specifically, the German car manufacturer BMW Group became the first company to execute a fully programmed transaction using the Connexy's digital payments network, which is JPMorgan's blockchain. Let's say that the exchange was from US dollars to euros between Frankfurt, where BMW is located, and New York, where JPMorgan is located. So for cross-border transactions, JPMorgan's blockchain is used. Morgan and BMW is a company that has been using blockchain for years to see how it can leverage it. Moving on, we're also going to go into privacy, and we're going to go to Circle, the producer of USDC, which is backing a stablecoin with a focus on privacy. A new privacy-focused stablecoin, backed by USDC issuer Circle, is available as a testnet, Aleo. Aleo's USDCX is a private, multifunction, dollar-backed stablecoin that allows users to keep regular patterns while simultaneously protecting sensitive information about them. So this is the new stablecoin that Circle is backing, and let's say Circle, as a company that has its own blockchain and it's a testnet. Of course, it also needs a stablecoin that supports privacy, otherwise it's never going to get much of a market share. Moving on, we'll go to our coins 100% now, and we'll go to Polygon, which has had a new upgrade. Specifically, the Polygon network has released its latest upgrade, known as a hard fork codename Madhugiri, which aims to increase network performance by 33% and has reduced the communication time for blocks by 1 second from the previous 2. This upgrade also supports Ethereum's Fusaka upgrade, specifically EIP 7823, EIP 7825, and EIP 7883. These EIPs make heavy math operations more efficient and secure, reducing the amount of gas they consume, so it has become cheaper. From Polygon, we will go to VeChain, which has made very big changes, and all this thanks to the Hayabusa upgrade, which in this upgrade represents a very big step towards decentralizing VeChain. VeChain has changed the proof of authority mechanism to a delegated proof of stake model, which means that the network providers are now public and permissionless. The goal is to strengthen the financial security of VeChain and provide greater funds to users who support the blockchain with their own credentials, i.e. staking their coins, and to promote representation through a more open governance framework. That is, to make it more decentralized and allow people with coins to make more meaningful decisions about the blockchain. So finishing up with VeChain, we're going to Canton, which is a real-world asset-centric network that has partnered with Redstone. Specifically, Redstone is an oracle, as we know it, and it has now been integrated with the Canton network to be used as the primary infrastructure for tokenization. Canton hosts over $6 trillion in tokenized assets and processes around $300 billion worth of trades every day, which means Redstone has a lot of work to do, as you can imagine. Now, taking our favorite cryptocurrency market, we'll see that Bitcoin is at $92,000. Yesterday, the price reached $94,000, and the main reason for this is the Fed, which in 12 hours will announce interest rates, and we are almost certain that we will have a rate cut, which is why many say that yesterday the price of BTC went up. Now let's talk about where the market is headed. We will go to JPMorgan analysts, who say that they are not afraid of a winner in crypto. Specifically, JPMorgan analysts hinted on Tuesday that Bitcoin and other digital assets could have more room to move despite the fears caused by the fall of the original cryptocurrency last month. That wraps up the top news for crypto today, December 10th, 2025. I'd like to remind you that the content you just watched is created for educational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice, but rather as investment opinion. Please subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and feel free to comment. Take care everyone, and have a good day.